Welcome back. My friend and I are riding from Chute Lake to Penticton and back again. This is the back again part of that journey. We're beginning this portion of the journey in Penticton, and we are riding the Kettle Valley Railway all the way to Myra Canyon. Even though it was early May, the temperatures were already around 25 degrees down in Penticton, and we had a quick pit stop to put on some sunscreen. A continual 1% grade meant that we climbed quickly above Okanagan Lake. We took a moment to take in the views at Little Tunnel. That is one big drop down that edge. Oh my goodness. Up a slightly rougher road, heading to Adra Tunnel. Adra Tunnel was definitely the highlight of this leg of the journey, with spooky lighting, chandeliers hanging from the ceiling, and a surprise that I'm not going to spoil. Getting higher, getting higher. Bumpy. Sandy. Long climb. Going uphill in sand is not fun. Like, who put the sand here? Oh.
Raining again.
We camped at the free campground on Chute Lake. My voice was all rough from a nasty cold that I was developing. And we were able to get breakfast and a hot shower at the Chute Lake Lodge. With our bellies full of warm food and coffee, we rode north towards Myra Canyon.
Nice. So, what do you say about the last 25 kilometers, Kyle?
Nice, gentle climb in sand and potholes.
Yeah, I think honestly some of the worst road we've seen, which is a shame. Considering where we've been. But now we're on the Myra Canyon. It should get better.
Myra Canyon is a 12-kilometer section of the Kettle Valley Rail Trail that features 18 restored trestle bridges, originally constructed in the early 1900s. The bridges were rebuilt after a wildfire tore through here in 2003. At 1,280 meters, this is the highest point of the Kettle Valley Rail Trail. I rode here a couple weeks before, and there were large sections still covered in snow.
She's getting dark. Ooh. Ooh. Ah, yes.
After some train noises, we began our descent down to Kelowna. But that's a story for another time. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.